Hello, my dear students. After a long time, we are coming back to offline classes. I hope all of you wrote your tests very well. We are already discussed about Saint Kabir chapter. You know Saint Kabir, who is the Kabir? He is a great saint. His father Neeru and his mother named Nima, and he went to the as a belief by asking guidance from Swami Ramananda. He agreed to him and he learned very well by Swami Ramanand, and after some time he very famous. He said, "I am the son of Rama and Allah." He including all the religions. He teaches about all the religions, only one God. We are all the sons of Rama and Allah. And some other Muslims and Hindus very angry about him, and they told many false stories to the king. The king heard that stories, and he told to the servants to kill the Kabir. In this class we discuss he will kill by the servants or not. Okay, open your textbook, page number 63. The soldier tied Kabir's hands and feet together. They threw him into a river, but Kabir did not drown. He walked to the bank. Now the soldiers locked him in a hut and set fire to it. But Kabir was not harmed. The soldiers tried to kill him a third time. They put him in front of the mad elephant. Instead of killing Kabir, the elephant ran away. Finally, the emperor set it free. Kabir lived for 78 years. One day he felt that he was going to die, but he did not wish to die in Varanasi. He wanted to teach an important lesson. Death is a holy city, cannot help us reach heaven. It used to state only good action can help us to find a place in heaven. He used to add. So Kabir left for another town called Magar. It was some distance from the Varanasi. Many Hindus and Muslims followed him. Finally, Kabir died. The Hindus and Muslims began quarreling. The Hindus want to cremate Kabir's body, but the Muslims want to bury it. And they become ready to fight. Just then, Kabir's voice was heard in the sky. It said, "Don't indignate in low. Take the sheet away from the body." People ran and removed the sheet from the Kabir's body. Kabir's body was not there. There was heap of flowers below the sheet. The Muslims took one of the flowers. The Hindus took the another half, and they remarked Kabir's words, "I am the child of Allah, I am the child of Rama. We are all brothers and sisters. We are the children of the same God." That is what Kabir, the holy saint, had taught us. Okay, dear students, now we start discuss. When emperor ordered to the soldier to kill the Saint Kabir, the servants, they came to the Kabir's side, and they chained the Kabir's hands and feet together. The soldier chained the Kabir's hand and feet also. Hands and feet they tied together. They threw him into a river. When the soldiers hanged him and they throw into the river. In the situation we cannot swim. When we go to the swimming pool or other pool, the river side, we want to swim, we rotate our legs and feet. But the soldiers very blind to him, there is no chance to swim. But the Saint Kabir is not only ordinary man, he removed the chain and he walked on a bank. Now the soldiers looked him in a hut and set fire to it. Now soldiers can try to kill him in another way. The soldiers, the Saint Kabir into the hut is the woods of hut, and the soldiers give the fire to it. Suddenly the hut will started firing. But Kabir was not harmed. Harmed means physically injury. When the soldiers try to kill him in a fire, but he cannot any harm. He is easily escape from the fire. The soldiers try to kill him in a third time, but they put him in front of a mad elephant. Instead of killing Kabir, the elephant ran away. Finally, the emperor set him free. In third time, the soldiers also try to killing him other way. That way is they want to kill from the mad elephant. But the mad elephant also did not kill him the Kabir, because he is not an ordinary man. He is a saint. He is from a son of Allah and also Rahma. So the mad elephant also did not kill him, Saint Kabir, and emperor decided he is a great saint. Then he give freedom to the Kabir. Kabir lived for 78 years. One day he felt that he was going to die, but he did not wish die to Varanasi. He wanted to reach an important lesson. Death is a holy city, cannot help us reach heaven. He used to say only God action can help to find a place heaven. He used to add. Kabir lived 78 years. In Varanasi, we usually our ancients going to our last days in Varanasi to our death days, but he did not like to death in Varanasi. He want to teach another lesson to the children, to people. He teach the important place, the very saint place or very great places cannot give a heaven, but our action, our deeds will give to heaven to us. Our works, what our works will give to the heaven to us. He want to teach them, so he went to the another place for death. He not died in Varanasi. So Kabir left for another town called Magar. It was some distance from Varanasi. Many Hindus and Muslims followed him. Finally, Kabir died. The Hindus and Muslims began to quarrel. He left to the another place that called is Magar. It is very near to the Varanasi. And after some time, his last days he spent in Magar, and he finally died in Magar. And after some time, the Hindus and Muslims started quarrel means they started fighting for the body of Kabir. The Hindus wanted to cremate Kabir's body, but the Muslims wanted to bury it, and they become ready to fight. The Hindus and Muslims are many followed by Kabir. Kabir followers are Hindus and Muslims also. They want his body, but when finally died the Kabir, they are very started quarrel and fighting. We want Kabir body because of cremate. Cremate means burn. Hindus want to burn Kabir's body, but Muslims to want to bury his body. They started very quarrel and they started fighting also. Just then Kabir's voice was heard in the sky. It said, "Don't include in a law, take the sheet away from my body." People ran and removed the sheet from Kabir's body. They started quarrel. The Kabir's voice heard. Well, the Kabir died, but after some time, this Hindus and Muslims started quarrel. The time Kabir's voice heard, he told what he told finally. Don't include in a law, take the sheet from away my body. People ran and removed from the. Don't include the law. Don't start your quarrel. You remove the sheet from our body. He told. People ran and removed the sheet from Kabir's body. People ran and removed the sheet from its body on its body. Kabir's body was not there. There was a help of flowers in the sheet. When the people ran away and they opened the sheet, there is no any body. The Kabir's body, there is no Kabir's body. There is only heap of flowers. Heap of flowers means a collection of flowers. There is a lot of flowers. The Muslims took one of the flowers, the Hindus took the another of, and they remembered Kabir's words, "I am the child of Allah, I am the child of Rama." There is no body in the instead of body. There is a lot of flowers, the heap of flowers. Some Muslims take some flowers and Hindus take some flowers from that place, and they remembered, "I am the son of Allah, I am the son of Rama." We are all brothers and sisters. We are the children of the same God. That is what Kabir, the holy saint, had taught us. We finally remember his words. We are the only one. We are the child of one same God. That is Allah, and the Muslims, they following, the Hindus following Rama. We are the one son of same the God. We don't forget the things. We remember his Saint Kabir of his taught what he taught. Okay, dear children, I know you all understand this lesson. Thank you very much.